In this video, I'll show you how to use the scanner of your Canon Pixma TS3750i. I'll show you how to scan with your phone and also with your PC computer. So let's get into it. To set up the scanning using your PC computer, you need to come to this link. I'll leave it in the description below. It's the official Canon website. You need to download the driver associated with your printer. So if you come to this link, then scroll down and press download. Then we're going to press download again, and all you needed now is just wait for it to download. Once it's finished downloading, go ahead and open it up, and then we're going to select yes, allow it to access. You're going to get this pop-up, press next, and then select your country. Then you're going to get this pop-up, press next, and then select the region that you're in. So I'm going to select Europe, and then press yes to this. Then it's going to start searching for your printer. Here you'll see the printer name, and then you'll also see your Wi-Fi details. So all you need to do is click on it and then press next, and that's going to connect the Wi-Fi with your printer. Once that's done, you should get this message. Just press exit and then come to this Windows home screen at the bottom, and we're going to search for printers and scanners in the settings. So it'll be this one here. And now we're going to add the Canon Pixma TS3750i. So come to the top right and select add device, and you should see the printer. In the drop down menu, press add device. From here you just need to wait, and you should see a message saying installing, and then it'll say ready. And so here we are. Click on it in the drop down menu, and that'll open up the printer's settings. So you can see I have the scanner settings when I open it up. But if you don't have this, it's because you haven't downloaded the Windows Scan app. So if you come to the Microsoft Store and search for Scan, you'll see the official Windows Scan app. Go ahead and download it, and then go back to your printer settings, and you'll see that you have the scanner settings. Press Open Scanner. That's going to open up the Windows Scan app. You'll see that you have your printer, and you have a few more settings here. You have the file type, so you can change the file type if you want, and also where the scan gets saved to. So now we're going to get the document that we want to scan. Open up the scanning lid and place the document face down on the glass like this. Once it's face down, press it into the top left of the printer. You can see that there is an arrow here. Make sure it's pressed up against it. Once you've done that, close the scanner lid, and we're now ready to complete the scan. Coming back to your PC, you'll see the scan button at the bottom. All you need to do is click it, and you'll get this pop-up confirming that the PC is completing the scan. So it shouldn't take too long. It should only take around 20 seconds. We're just going to wait, and you hear your printer doing the scan. And when it's complete, we can click on view at the top. Or if you have more pages, you can just press scan again until you've completed them. So here we can see a preview of the scan. Let me just zoom it in. So here it is. Now I'll show you how to scan from your phone. If you're on Android, you need to open up the Play Store, but if you're on Apple, open up the App Store, and then we're going to download the official Canon app. So search for Canon Print, and install the app. Go ahead and open it up, and we need to connect the printer to our Wi-Fi. So accept these terms. We're going to agree to all this, then press OK. Press OK again. From here, press allow and allow. Press next, allow once again, and we're now ready to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So at the bottom, press add or switch, and then we're going to register a printer. It might find your Wi-Fi right away, but if it doesn't, press if printer cannot be found, then tap on no, because our printer is not listed here. From here, select auto connection. Then it's going to ask, does our printer have a button like this? It does, so press yes. And it's going to ask us to press this button. So come to the front of your printer, and you'll see this button here. That's to look for the Wi-Fi. So press and hold it for 3 seconds, and you'll see the Wi-Fi symbol start to flash. That means it's in power mode. Back to your phone, tick this, and then press next. And now it's going to search for our Wi-Fi, which shouldn't take too long, and you'll get a pop-up. It can take up to 3 minutes. And here we are, set up Wi-Fi. Press OK, press next, and then connect. From here, all you need to do is wait on it processing. It might take a while depending on your internet connection. Here we are, press yes. And if it asks you for a password, all you need to do is enter in the password from your router, then press OK. Here it's communicating with the printer. All you need to do is wait, and you should get a setup complete message. Just scroll down and press OK. And here we are. This means that the setup is complete. So if you scroll down, we don't need an account, so we'll register later. Enable this tick so you don't have to type your Wi-Fi password in every time. And we're now ready to scan. So from the Canon Print app, press on this scan button here, and it's going to ask us to select the folder where we want the scans to go. So we just have this scan folder. We're just going to use this one, and then allow access. Here it's going to allow us to change the scan settings. So you can change the format to a PDF if you want. You can change it to a document or photo along with color or black and white, and then you can change the size of the scan. So before we press scan, you need to get your document and put it in the scanner. So here's mine. We're going to lift the lid like this to open the scanner and place the document face down on the glass like so. Once you've placed it face down, press it into the top left of the scanner. I'll show from a different angle. You can see this arrow. You want to make sure the document is pressed up against that, like this. And then we just need to close the scanning lid. To complete the scan, just come back to your phone and then press the scan button at the bottom. And that's going to take around 20 seconds. So you should hear your printer in the background. It's going to begin to make some noise, which means it's scanning. If you're scanning more than one document, then you would take the current document out and put the next one in and press the scan button. But we're just going to do one. So we'll press exit. And we can see that the file has been saved. Just press OK. And here we can see a preview of the scan. So if you wanted to share this with yourself by email, you press on these three dots at the top, and then you have a few different options. So that's how to scan using your phone.